Hello and welcome to a new episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Today I want to introduce the Zyxel Air app to you. You can install your LTE outdoor or indoor devices with this app.
Download the application from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Connect your mobile with the wireless of the router and start the app. It will detect the device and then you can log into the router. Then you have to change the password to secure your router. Make sure to note it down so that you can use it for later proposals. Now the Zyxel Air app shows you the signal strength of your 4G and also your wireless. Based on your device, you can now find different settings like Wi-Fi, the devices that are connected, the speed test, and the settings for the application. Easy share the Wi-Fi credentials with other clients, the devices that are connected, the speed test, and the settings for the application. You can also follow a speed test to see the connection speed of your 4G or 5G network. On the settings page, you can enter different settings to your router like data roaming or SIM pin protection. If you change here the PIN or the password to your device or your SIM card, make sure to note it down so that you can use it for later proposals. To find the optimized position for your LTE device, you can tap on the signal status icon on the home page. While the application is looking for the best LTE signal, it can also prompt you with a beep. When you find the best direction, you can save this location in the application. Tap on Save the Test Report and now you can mount the device on this position.
We are done with our episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. If you want to follow us on Facebook, we are very happy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.